How to buy Phoenix token. This token came under the symbol of PHNIX. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check Dirk's account and keep following their updates about this token. Make sure to visit their Telegram channel and their TikTok as well. So they included in this post on their X accounts. Now, this token, go and open it on CoinMarketCap, as you can see here. Now after that, just go and buy it from these three exchange platforms. For example, Mixi, it's available on there. If you click on it, now after that, as you can see, make sure to log into your account first, and you will be able to this token and make sure you have enough USDT on your account. Now here, go and select the buy option from here. You have two options, the limit and market. For the limit, here set the amount that you want to buy with that token. Because I don't have any USDT on my wallet or fund on my wallet, I can't enter how much I want to buy, but for you, just type how much you want to buy. Or you can drag this to select how much you want to buy of percentage. After that, just click on buy and you will buy this token. Another option is by going and select the market option. After that, type how much you want to buy with USDT, or you can drag this and set how much of percentage you want to buy with USDT, and after that click on buy the Phoenix token. So this is how to buy Phoenix token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.